So when I was studying biotechnology, we were taught that viruses, weaken over time. Basically, viruses, bacteria, bad viruses weaken over time. Okay, I don't want to get too technical on this video, so I just want to show you the scientific proof, okay, scientific evidence. There is a scientific journal attached to this article, but this article basically summarizes. Okay, this is an article from the Arizona State University. As you can see right there, it's edu. Okay, it's edu. ASU.edu. Anything that has a edu in it is a educational website. Okay, so it's college and this and that, yada yada yada. Okay, so you see these advertisements. So after saying that, okay, let's go through the article and let's see what it says. Okay. So ASU scientific team finds new unique mutation in coronavirus study. So when something mutates in nature, okay, this is basic biology. Okay, something mutates. It's adapting. The organism is adapting to its environment. Okay, and it eventually, when it comes to viruses, when it mutates like this, it eventually dies out over time. That is what I learned. That is what was taught in college. Okay, the viruses weaken over time and they become more virulent. Okay, meaning they spread more quickly. Well, not quickly, but they spread more out there. They become more infectious, but it doesn't mean that you're gonna die from it or something like that. That's not that. Okay, the reason why the viruses become more infectious over time as they weaken is because the viruses, okay, they're trying to survive. Okay, it's the fight or flight kind of thing. It's survival of the fittest. Okay, so they try to survive over time, and they try to that's why you get sick. If it's cold and you go out without a jacket on, you get sick. Okay, because the virus is looking for a host, like a warm host, to freaking become a shelter. Okay, because you are like their house. Okay, they're trying to treat you as their their host, their freaking their victim. Okay, they're gonna eat off you, and that's. I mean, I'm trying to keep it on the surface. Okay, surface level discussion, and I don't want to try to go deep into this because I'm gonna lose a lot of people. Okay, let's get into this. So SARS-CoV-2 mutation mirrors one found during 2003 SARS outbreak, meaning there is a similarity. When scientists use the word mirrors, they're talking about something that's similar to something. Okay, so the way we study biology, if it's something like genetically looks like something, then that's something. It's genetically related to that thing, or either it's the same thing. Okay, it's form and function. It's structure and function, what they call in anatomy, physiology, biology, and all these sciences, microbiology even. Structure and function. Okay, the structure of the protein. Okay, and its function. Okay, the structure of the DNA, structure of the gene, the ATCG. Okay, the A, T, C, and G, the four types. Okay, I mean the four kinds. Okay, I don't want to go deep into that, but the formation of the genes. Okay, so let's see. So here it is. Using a pool of 382 nasal swab samples obtained from possible COVID-19 cases in Arizona, Lim's team, okay, the scientist's name is Lim, last name is Lim, has identified a SARS-CoV-2 mutation that had never been found before. Of course, it's novel, okay, novel coronavirus. It's new, meaning it's new, okay, where 81 of the letters, okay, get this, where 81 of the letters have vanished, permanently deleted from the genome. Okay, what did I tell you? Viruses weaken over time. Okay, they lose some of their genetic sequence. Okay, meaning they're losing protein. They're losing their ability to attach to you. Okay, to attach to you, the host. So this COVID-19 is disappearing. Okay, disappearing over time. With herd immunity, it's gonna disappear even quickly. So why in the hell are they locking us down? Why in the hell are they making us wear a mask on? Okay, all they have to do is isolate the sick, isolate the elderly. Okay, they're already isolated. That's why we have houses. Okay, grandma and grandpa stay in the house, and you go buy some stuff for them, right? Because they're too old to freaking walk around and stuff like that, and they get tired and this and that because their glucose, a mechanism. Their glucose pathway is it's not as efficient as it was before when they were young. Okay, unless they're exercising and this and that, they're fasting and whatever. So one of the reasons why this mutation is of interest is because it mirrors a large deletion that arose in 2003 SARS outbreak. It mirrors a large deletion. What happened with SARS? It disappeared. Bam. So it's this. So ORF7A is the protein, okay? They talk about. I don't want to get too deep into this because I'm going to start losing, people. Let's see what they got. So a genome deletion was found. It removes 27 protein building blocks. I told you, you see? I told you it removes 77 protein building blocks called amino acids. Okay, amino acids is a monomer, meaning it's the one unit of a protein, okay? It's just like, when you were in a grade school, like you see the cells. You see the molecule, right? See molecule and then you see a cell. It's like those little circular looking things or globular looking things inside of a molecule. That's what it is. So a genome deletion was found that removes 27, because the genome is the one that makes the protein, right? Your genes make your protein. It's DNA, right arrow, RNA, right arrow, protein, okay? A genome deletion was found that removes 27 protein building blocks called amino acids from the SARS-CoV accessory protein ORF7A. The protein is very similar to the 2003 SARS-CoV immune antagonist ORF-A/X4. This sequence alignment shows the gap when compared to other coronavirus samples. So it is weakening over time, okay? During the middle and late phases of the SARS epidemic, SARS-CoV accumulated mutations that attenuated the virus. Scientists believe that a weakened virus that causes less severe disease may have a selective advantage if it is able to spread efficiently through populations by people who are infected unknowingly. Scientists believe that a weakened virus, okay, it's already weakened, it lost its genetic information, okay, that causes less severe disease. Okay, it weakens over time, but it spreads throughout the population, okay. If it has a selective advantage, meaning it's, the evolution kind of thing, survival of the fittest, right? The virus is trying to survive while it's dying. If it is able to spread efficiently through populations by people who are infected unknowingly. So you see? So my question to you is, why are they locking us down? Okay, they're doing the opposite. They're masking the healthy. They're locking down the healthy, okay? they're throwing down everybody, like the sick. You know, they're making them just either quarantine or just go to the hospital or something. They're prolonging, my point is they're prolonging herd immunity by locking us down. I mean, if they're concerned about old people, then, you know, let the old people gradually integrate into community, right? So the rest of this, he just talks about, you know, 8 to 14 days, typical thing, infection rate, okay? I mean, the infection over time. And this article was May 5. And it was written by Efren Lim, okay? Team leader in Arizona State University. So that's it for this video. Peace out.